everyone. I'm Miss Cindy.
And I'm Miss Carolyn. Welcome to Mechanicsville branch of Pamunkey Regional Library.
Today, Carolyn, we are talking about hovercrafts.
What's a hovercraft?
Yeah, good question. A hovercraft is an amphibious vehicle. Good word, huh?
Amphibious. Oh, I know what it is. It's like goes on land and sea?
Yes, that's exactly right.
Okay.
It goes on land and sea. What happens is air gets trapped under it, and there's like this cushion of air. You can see the hovercraft rise up, and then there's fans that propel it forward or in whatever direction you want it to go. It's kind of like an air hockey table. Have you ever seen the puck slide around? Kind of like that. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, but that sounds like something from a sci-fi movie.
Yeah, I thought so too. There's some videos on YouTube of actual, real hovercrafts.
I'd have to see it.
Me too. All right, let's see.
Turn this on.
Ooh, you can kind of see the air at the bottom.
Yeah. I think that's a hard surface that it's on right there. It looks like concrete.
And that's what I was thinking too, and I think it's heading towards the water.
Okay, let's see.
You'd think there's wheels under there, but there's not.
No, it's just the air.
Just air.
It's not reverse.
It sure does.
I imagine that's because the way the propellers are going.
I would think so, yeah.
There it is.
And there it's in the water. That's amazing.
That's
Something that can
crazy.
go on land and water.
Yeah.
Amphibious.
Amphibious. There it goes now. It's moving in the water.
It sure is.
Wow, is that what you imagined it would be?
Not at all. It was so big and powerful, and the way it sprayed the water out,
It was. Yeah, it was.
it was pretty cool.
Uh-huh.
Now, the hovercrafts we're going to make today are not going to be nearly as impressive
Not
as that, are
nearly.
they?
No.
But will you show us how that's going
I
to work?
sure will. I
Okay.
sure will. So the supplies you need are a CD. This is a completely blank CD. A balloon, a fresh new balloon, and a pop top. Now this is like a water bottle, and when you drink, you pull it up like that to drink. So we're going to start off with it down, okay? And you'll also need a hot glue gun. Now this has been getting hot for a bit, so it should be fine. So what you want to do is take your hot glue gun and glue around the edges here, and you're going to put it covering that hole in the middle of your CD. Okay, so it's going to end up looking like that from the other side. So let's do that. And let's see. All the way around.
So you want that to seal tight so no
Yes,
air can get out, right?
Exactly. All right, let's try that and see. I'm going to put it right over that center hole. And just hold it there for a couple of seconds. So this is going to be your hovercraft here. All right. Give it just a few seconds to dry. Then what you're going to do is take your balloon and you're going to put it over the pop top piece. Like I said, be sure that that's in the down position. So basically what's going to happen is you're going to, when you're ready for it to go, you're going to lift the pop top up. That's going to allow air to get through here. Air is going to come from your balloon and push air out through the bottom. It should lift up just a little bit. I'm going to give it a tiny little push and see if it goes around like it should. Like we said, not nearly as impressive as the big hovercrafts, but you'll get the idea. All right, so take your balloon.
Should you blow it up first?
No. Oh, yes, you should. Duh. Okay, you need to blow it up to get that air going. Okay, so a good 2 to 3 puffs of air. I kind of twist it a little bit to kind of keep it in there. You don't tie it off, but then you're going to open it up and you're going to put it across the pop top itself, still holding on to the balloon, kind of pinched so the air doesn't get through. Now, while pinching the balloon, you're going to lift up the pop top, just the piece that will allow the air through. You're just going to lift that up and kind of untwist it. Untwist it. There we go.
Look at it go.
See it moving? So like the air is lifting it up off of this surface a little bit, and it just glides just smooth as it can be around the surface.
Wow, that was really cool, Carolyn.
Yeah, and it worked out really well.
Should we do it again?
I think so.
I think so too.
Okay, how about y'all try it?
All right.
Bye.
Bye.